Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: model, iOS version, and battery level. Plug in if under 20%. Next, sign in with your Apple ID so apps and settings sync. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to access networks and accessories. Make sure to set up Touch ID or Face ID and a passcode to protect your device. This also lets you approve App Store installs more quickly. Finally, turn on iCloud backup so you can restore if something goes wrong. This saves time later. Once signed in, open the App Store and download the core apps you need: Mail, Notes, Files, and any productivity or creative apps. This gives you tools to work right away. After that, arrange apps into folders and add frequently used apps to the dock or home screen widgets to speed access. Make sure to tweak settings. Configure notifications so only the important alerts appear. Set display and brightness for comfort, and customize the keyboard and control center shortcuts to match your workflow. To finish, adopt advanced features that boost productivity. Use split view and slide over for multitasking, and drag files between apps to move content quickly. If you have an Apple Pencil or external keyboard, pair them and learn gestures. These change how you create and edit. Also enable shortcuts and automations to reduce repetitive tasks. Finally, confirm your backup strategy with iCloud and periodic local backups. And if something fails, restart the iPad, check Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.